Hey, what's up guys? So check this out. So I have this little dinky water hole behind me, literally inside the city limits, and supposedly there's trout in here. So according to the Indiana State DNR records, they were supposed to stock this little water hole behind me with 200 trout. So I wanted to verify that. So what I did was I went to the DNR office and I asked him. I talked to the conservation officer and he said, yes, we did put fish in there. So here's the problem, guys. Here's the tip. What they do is they put the fish in on a Friday, and I verified that with him. And then they have Kids Day on Saturday. Well, unfortunately, and I feel bad for the kids, but what people don't realize is that they put these trout in here and then the fish got to get acclimated. They're not going to go out and bite the next morning. You know, it's a totally different ecosystem, totally different feed, water temperature. Everything about it is completely different. The pH level, all kinds of factors. So the fish don't bite. And like I said, it's unfortunate because you got all these dads that come out here, and to be quite honest, I'm just going to be gentle on them, but the way to find out if somebody's good at fishing is to ask strategic questions. And if they don't have the answers, you can kind of tell their level of fishing. So my little tip is you wait 3 or 4 days, you let the fish get acclimated, and then you come out here when nobody's here. You have the place to yourself. Beautiful night, and hopefully we're going to catch some rainbow trout tonight. So I'm going to keep you posted. But just keep that in mind, and if you got a situation like this, because you can pull it up on the website. We are here in Indiana, like I said, and it's a very common thing. This time of year, they stock lakes, they stock streams, they stock little water holes like this. So this little honey hole, like I said, we haven't started fishing yet, but I'm going to keep you posted and see what we can do. Keep it going.